Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Today we came to Lodi. The kids have been wanting birds for a while, and all the pet stores are out of birds due to COVID. So here they're having an exotic bird show. So we're hoping we can find some birds here. Everything is ready. We've already bought the cage, the toys, everything for them. So let's see what we find. Kids are so excited. It's so packed here. Look at how many people are here. Look at all the birds. There are so many birds. Oh, the cockatiels. They're so cute and chunky. Oh my God, so adorable. Some more cockatiels, the gray ones. Oh, look at these, how beautiful. So pretty. Oh, there's already an egg. They're a breeding pair. We're used to Florida prices. They're kind of expensive here. Oh, look at this one, a cockatoo. Cockatoo to the kid. Wow, they even have toucans. How pretty. Lovebirds. Alian, do you want these? So cute. Yeah, we'll get them. They're so beautiful. Let me see, Omar. These are the ones coming home with us. We got 2 parakeets here. We have to get them their separate cage. We already have one for these 2 ready at home. 2 beautiful cockatiels. They're so adorable. Hi guys.
Hi.
How excited are you for your birds?
I'm so excited. Those little cockatiels are eating.
Yeah, they're hungry. Aliana, are you gonna play with them? Yeah, are you guys happy we finally got some birds?
Yeah, we also have little parakeets at the back.
Yeah, they're in the back. All right, we can't wait to get home and play with them.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's watch videos to watch them play.
Did you hear him? Let's watch videos to watch them play. No, you just learn to play with them. You don't need to watch videos for that. meet the newest members of our family. Here are Sweetie and Tweety. Sweetie is the blue one, Tweety is the yellow one. That's their home, their food, their toys. And then our other two members. Here is Mango. And there's Tango. Looks like they're both sleeping. They're very tired. They came here all the way from LA. So they're sleeping right now. Alian, are you excited to have the birds?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? What about you, Ishu?
I'm so excited.
Yeah?
Look at them. They're both and all of them are peoples. All of them are people.
No, they have different names. We have Sweetie and Tweety, and we have Mango and Tango.
No.